Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to navigate calendar views with Magic Keyboard on your iPad Pro M5. Let's start with the basic calendar's views switching. If you want to switch to the day's view, you have to press Command 1, combination of keys. To switch to the week's view, Command 2. To switch to the month view, Command 3, and if you want to switch to the year view, you have to use Command 4. Now, you can also use Command with arrow keys to navigate between years, month, date, week, depending on which tab you're at. If you want to quickly jump to today's date, you have to use Command T. If you want to create a new event, you have to press Command N. And if you want to search for events, you have to use Command F. And so these are the basic commands for your Magic Keyboard. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.